नागरी पुरवण खात्यान पुरवण केल्लो तांदूळ प्लास्टिकाचो ना कांय वेंचीक मनीस लोकांक गैरसमज करता. आमी स्वता आयज पळोवणी केल्या तेदे वेळार आमकां तांदळांत प्लास्टीक मेळूंक ना. आमी सगळ्या गुदावांनी नियमीत पळोवणी करून बऱ्या दर्जाचे तांदूळ लोकांक दिवपाचे प्रयत्न करता. लोकांनी ह्या वावडीन खरे धरचे न्ही अशें नागरी पुरवण खात्याचो सचीव संजीत रॉड्रिगीज हाणें सांगलें.
By the end of day today, the Food Corporation of India has ascertained that rice taken as a sample is safe and is as issued under the PDS system through the procurement system of the FCI, and it is a proper authentic sample without any contamination. As far as the sample taken by the Directorate of Food and Drug Administration, as well as the analysis of the sample conducted by the laboratory of the Food and Drug Administration. An analytical report, the first analytical report has just come in. Tests for plastic rice in terms of burning of rice, in terms of the floating test, in terms of boiling of rice has all come negative. The test for starch has come positive, indicating that it is a rice and a rice sample only. We would like to assure people that the entire PDS distribution system is safe, sound, follows FSSAI principles, and all samples taken and tested in all godowns are as authentic as possible without any contamination.